So dito sa Bangkok, actually ang dami mong options para makakuha ng pera or paano magbayad. Meron silang tinatawag na bago yung Pay and Go. Ay, can I ask how can I avail of the Pay and Tour prepaid card?
Yes, sir.
What do I need to give you? A passport? Or
Yes, passport and some.
is there a minimum amount?
No minimum.
Ano minimum? 1,000 baht. Then how can I reload after?
You can top up with any exchange book from our bank.
Okay.
Yeah, anyway. Please different currency. Cannot top up by Thailand.
Oh,
Yeah.
I need local.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only local.
Pero yun nga, as we found out kanina, kailangan local currency mo yung gagamitin mo. Hindi pwedeng Thai baht na. So, ang maganda dun sa Pay and Go, local na yung prompt pay nila yung gagamitin yung pang scan ng QR code sa mga tindero, ganyan. Ano siya, parang InstaPay sa Pilipinas.